Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, my munchies. Did you miss me? Tonight, I'm having beans and rice and a tortilla and beans and rice. You're not going to be able to see it. Can you see that? So these are beans and rice that I'm cook these beans. They're in the freezer. And I have some rice. I made some brown rice. And so today I had for breakfast I had some macaroni, but I cooked the macaroni so long I forgot. I had to go in really slow, and I ended up with a macaroni mashed potato. So I seasoned it. So it's like I had some seasoned mashed potatoes, and I had that for breakfast and for lunch. And for dinner, I'm having beans and rice. And for a snack, I had some dried bananas chips that I made. So tomorrow, it's going to be beans and rice for dinner. I already know that. Because the other two, breakfast and lunch, is going to be eaten out. And haven't decided, but for lunch tomorrow, I'm going to have a veggie sub. And I think I'm going to have soy tacos for breakfast. I don't know yet. Not too soon. So tomorrow, I'm going to try to show breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's good. Dinner hot. So how's your Sunday going? Or well, actually the day is over, and by the time you guys see this, my little munchies, it'll be a Monday. I'm halfway done. So this is the end of day 2 of my 7-day no meat challenge. I woke up this morning thinking about sausage or breakfast meat. I'm like, what's wrong with me? Oh, I was just thinking so much on my mind. So, if anyone have any ideas of something I should eat, like I said, right now it's no meat, and I don't do pork. Let me get more water. Almost done. Almost. Cat is in the window. Well, all is gone. It sounds like there's almost snacks in and outside. So I will see my monkeys tomorrow, and hopefully with my 3rd day of my no meat. Excuse me. And I love each and every one of you. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.